Good morning, my wonderful students. Earlier, we have done about the acidic substances, their formulas, their sources, etc. Today, we are going to deal with the next category of the substances, that is basic substances. Substances that contain bases are called basic substances. These substances are bitter in the taste. In the starting of the video, I have given you one example that baking soda which you use in baking of the cakes etc. is actually bitter in the taste. If you will taste it alone, it will feel bitter. They are soapy in the touch. If you will take a small amount of the baking soda in between your finger and put one drop of water, it will feel as a slippery thing and soapy. They are categorized as strong base and weak base. Strong base means the bases which will easily dissolve in the water and can separate it in their OH ion, and weak base are the bases which cannot easily dissociate or break in the water and give the OH ion. Strong bases are mainly harmful and weak bases does not create more harm to the human bodies. Different examples are sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, these are strong bases. Copper hydroxide, zinc hydroxide, these are weak bases. Now what the use of the base? Where we use the base? Let us read that. Bases like calcium hydroxide and sodium hydroxide are used to neutralize the soil. In the soil, acidity is more, then we will add the base. What is neutralization reaction? We will do it later. I'll just give you a little hint that when same amount of the acid mix with the base, they cancel out their properties with each other. Next use, sodium hydroxide is used in preparation of the soap. Soap which we use for washing purposes, they are having mainly sodium hydroxide. You may have sometime noticed that with the help of soap it create damage to our hands. That is because sodium hydroxide is a strong base and with the continuous use it can prove harsh to our skin. Magnesium hydroxide is used in antacid, and antacids are the liquid which cancel the acidity of the stomach, which neutralize the acidity of the stomach. You may have listen about some antacid liquid like Gelusil. These are the materials which will combat the acidity of the stomach, which will neutralize the acidity of the stomach, that mainly contain magnesium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide is also used in manufacturing of cleaning solution in paper industry and in many other industry. Cleaning solution like detergents which we are using in the paper industry for cleaning of the paper, and in some other industries where they are manufacturing the fertilizer etc. sodium hydroxide is used. Neutral substances, the substances that are neither acidic nor basic, it means they does not contain any acid, does not contain any base, are called neutral substances. For example, sugar, urea, water, basically distilled water. Generally the water we consume are having a little amount of salt, so it can be little basic or little acidic. But if no salt is present, water is distilled, it is neutral substance. And next is glucose etc.